Sunny's going to start by using La Mer micellar water to cleanse her skin. Next, she's going to use 2 drops of vitamin C serum by Skin Better Science. What it will do is brighten her skin and even out her complexion. Next, Sunny is applying Dior Prestige under her eye area. What this will do is visibly reduce wrinkles while making her skin firmer and brighter. Next, to prime her eyelids with the Trish McEvoy Eye Base, followed by classic Trish eyeshadows beginning with the color Shell. Sunny likes to start with the lightest color and not all over, just on the first half of the lid and then on the eyebrow bone. Next, she uses the color Cafe Latte in the crease. Next, she likes to balance it out, so whatever color you use in the crease, she also uses under the eyelid. So use a very thin angled brush and brush it right close to your lash line. This is a much softer look than a harsh eyeliner. Next, Sunny is going to apply the Deep Aubergine Gel Liner by Trish McEvoy. Here she applies it under the lash line, so just filling in the roots to give it a more full look. Next, she's going to apply liner to the top using the Eye Definer by Trish in the color Deep Aubergine. So this is an eyeshadow that doubles as a liner. She's going to use the Trish Angled Eyeliner Brush number 50, dip it in the palette, and then apply it right at the lash line. Now we're going to head back to her complexion. Sunny's next using Miracle Eye Cream by Natura Bissé. This comes in 1 shade only, which fits all skin tones. It is so ultra hydrating that every little wrinkle or line will disappear. Seriously, who needs Botox when you have this? Next, moving on to foundation, Sunny is going to use the Future Skin Cushion Skincare Foundation by Chantecaille. This is a beautiful, fresh, water-based foundation formula with smoothing and anti-pollution skincare ingredients that really blurs imperfections, and it leaves her skin absolutely flawless. Next, an under eye concealer. Here we're using Skin Correct by Dior. So what you want to do is create a little triangle under the eye and then blend it. Now Sunny's going to set it with a high definition perfecting powder by Chantecaille. Now we're going to move on to mascara. Chantecaille has a fabulous one with a rose oil conditioner built in. It also has a growth serum within, so this is actually really good for your lashes, especially if you're a person that wears mascara every day. This is called the Faux Cils Mascara. Next, we're going to add a bronzer, Trish McEvoy Light and Lift. If you're not sure how to apply a bronzer, create a C and then bring it into a 3.
My skin looks great. Right?
Next, we're going to add some color to her cheeks with Baby Cheeks Blush Stick by Westman Atelier. This is in the color Minette. You can just rub it directly on your cheeks from the stick and then blend either with your fingers or a brush. It's all natural and it provides a beautiful glow. And now another Westman Atelier favorite, we're going to add a little summery glow with Peau de Pêche. For the lips, we're using Barely There Liner by Trish McEvoy, followed by the Trish Beauty Booster Lip and Cheek in the color Nude. Next, we're going to use the Trish McEvoy Precision Brow Shaper. When filling in the eyebrows, the most important part is the arch. So she's going to start there and fill in her arch. Then the rest of the eyebrow using minimal, gentle strokes, and then brush it out. That's it. Susanna looks gorgeous. Treat yourself this Mother's Day or come by and let us know if you're interested in any of the products you've seen here, either luxury cosmetics or the skincare products. We'll help you find the perfect shade, colors, or combinations for your mom. And don't forget that we also offer gift certificates. Hope to see you soon.